Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see sensitive content on Twitter. So let's get into it. First of all, start the Twitter app. Click on your profile picture in the sidebar menu on the top left. Tap on the Settings and Support option. Select the Settings and Privacy option. Now tap on the Privacy and Safety option. Tap on Content You See. The Display Media that may contain sensitive content option will appear. Toggle it on. By enabling sensitive content, your feed will not be censored anymore. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.